Let's take this one here out. It needs a good blowout too. Look at that, it's dusty, dirty. I like this one. It's got the writing on the side though. That looks real cool. So I'll take that out there. Don't fall down now. I'm serious. I ain't got no insurance. I ain't insured y'all for the accidents, so if y'all are watching my channel, that's okay, but you can't be falling down. I don't allow it. I don't allow it. It's kind of shenanigans around here. Okay. Alright, so I think let's blow this one up. Like we did that other. Ford maker and looking like Santa Claus. It seems like that would make sense, don't it? Yeah. This one here don't flip up like that other one does. This one has you know, that's what you get when somebody gets run over by a car and knocks their toes off. I need somebody to come bring the toes in. They're going to take it. I knew that already, didn't you? Alright. So I'm going to go cut out another tire or two and see how they stack up next to the tires I got there. Ooh. Oh, boy. Come on. Just for the purposes of prototypism, I'll use that other piece of welding rod that I cut off. Let's see if we can set it up under front end of that truck and see how that looks. See, that is very similar in size, ain't it? If we take this piece of rubber rod shaft and stick that in that, like that, and then we stick that. I think y'all are looking at what I'm looking at. I think y'all are looking up my area somewhere. Going down here to the real world. We can stick that in that. Through the other side. Yeah. That looks a little biggish. I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut one out of this smaller tool and see how it looks on the front of that. So I'm going to do the same thing, but we'll use a different tool. It might be a little harder to get that out too. Let's get that one out. And might be a little harder to get out because it doesn't have the slot inside like that other one did. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll set this one in the other side. Here. Put that on there for looks. I think the smaller tire is better. I'm going to cut 3 more of these smaller ones because I doubled the tire on the front of that. I've also got some different material here. I wonder if I got any of that in here. It all might be out yonder under the ice. I'm hoping I saved a little bit in here, but then I have. Yeah, I think all my other material is out yonder. But we might wind up using some of that too. The other material is that like that black and white floor tile stuff that I use under the, like on my kitchen floor. I got some. But for now, I'm just going to cut them out of that, and then we'll go from there with that. I'm going to cut cut me about 3 more of these things. Might be one of them places where I need more hands than what I got. It's a little bit like working the tire machine down at Roy Wheeler's garage, except it's a lot smaller. Roy Wheeler's garage is the garage where my dad used to work his second job. He had a job in the factory, but he worked down at Roy Wheeler's at night to make a little extra money for Christmas. We was poor back then. If you was going to have a big Christmas, you had to work the second job. My mom worked too. Mom worked in the factory and my dad worked in the factory. They both worked in the factory. But sometimes they take on other jobs, because back in the 50s, that's how you made a living, you know. You both work in the factory. That might only need one wheel on the front, you know. We can just take this big one off. Take this big one here off. I think we might use it on another vehicle of some sort. I'll put this right on that. Let's see. This right here. Sticking out to hang the another rolling truck here. Now we got 2 rolling trucks. I'm gonna leave a little edge sticking out. Yeah, I'm thinking what we can do when we get ready, if we can flatten these edges, like y'all ever taken a hammer and hit if you got a long skinny piece of something like that and you hit it with a hammer, you can flatten the end of it so it doesn't come off. Of course, these wheels are tight enough, you probably don't even need to do that. Alright. So, now we got another rollable truck. Let's play with it. The cab is sitting down on that wheel. That's why I didn't double the wheels on the front of these. Because you need them to be close enough in so they don't hit the fenders. No Luke gets up here, we might just get down the floor here and play truck. Oh, look at that. All right. So, let's see if you had that with a hubcap on it, like this. That looks pretty good. A little better if I had the right washer on there, but we're getting close. Yes, we are. Getting close.